We recently made some berry liqueurs that were very delicious, and let's see if we can't take that blueberry liqueur and make some delicious cocktails. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that bell, get notified when we release new content. So we're making 3 cocktails today using our homemade blueberry liqueur. So let's begin by making a smash. This is the Country Thyme cocktail. Get it with Country Thyme? So we're gonna start with 10 blueberries, fresh blueberries. We've got a couple sprigs of thyme and some lemon wedges. So we're then gonna smash all this stuff. Just basically what a smash cocktail is. You're smashing a whole bunch of fruits and herbs and stuff, and then you're adding your liquor to it. To that, we're gonna add an ounce of our blueberry liqueur, and we're also gonna add an ounce of vodka. So vodka is only going to give us some alcohol, it's not going to give us any flavor, so I'm hoping this is just going to be really blueberry forward and a little bit of that thyme and lemon. We're going to do a 1/4 ounce of agave nectar, agave syrup. Actually, that was just a demerara syrup because I didn't have any agave, but any syrup should work fine. We're going to give this a good quick shake, and then we're going to serve in a rocks glass with some nice clear ice cubes in there. And of course, we need to double strain because we don't want any of that pulp and thyme leaves and all that stuff that we smashed. So leave that in the tin, just shake it all in. We're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel, a couple sprigs of thyme, and of course some blueberries. Look at that. Doesn't that look just like summer in a glass? I know it's fall now, but whatever. We're making blueberry cocktails. These are summery. Next one here, we're gonna do kind of a blueberry twist on a Dunderstruck. We're going to call it the Blunderstruck, Blueberry Dunderstruck. We're starting again by muddling some blueberries, and a Dunderstruck calls for Overproof rum. I've done it with 151 before, but I figured why not try my favorite rum, Smith & Cross. 3/4 ounce of our blueberry liqueur. The one thing I found when I was tasting the liqueurs was that even though I love the blueberry on its own, it didn't have a strong flavor that came through in cocktails. So I'm hoping by muddling, we're gonna get a little bit more of that blueberry flavor. Next up, we got Campari, 3/4 ounce. After that, we're gonna give it some citrus. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And we've got some pineapple juice, full ounce pineapple juice. So roughly the same ingredients as the Dunderstruck. Dunderstruck uses a strawberry flavor, strawberry syrup. We're doing blueberry instead. So yes, there was a dash of absinthe there. All right, so we're gonna do our best to muddle. It's hard to muddle when you've added all the ingredients, but do your best. Add some ice, flippy move, shaky shake one more time. And same as before, we're actually going to serve this in a rocks glass with some ice, the same way. And we want, of course, double strain once again because we don't want any of that muddled stuff. Nice skewer of blueberries in this one. There it is. And there it is, the Blueberry Dunderstruck, as I'm calling it, the Blunderstruck. On to our last one. We've got some Apple Brandy and we've got some champagne. This is the Imperial Blueberry Fizz. Starting once again with the blueberries and the blueberry liqueur. Again, the reason we're muddling is because I was not satisfied with how that blueberry flavor came through in cocktails, so I figured by muddling some additional blueberries, we might amplify that flavor. 1.5 ounces of apple brandy. I'm using a local apple brandy from Spy Distillery. I love this stuff, especially this time of year. It's a great spirit. Muddle once again, smash up all those blueberries, and then that's it for the base of this drink. So add your ice, flip, shaky shake. Come on, there we go. Double strain once again into a coupe this time. There it is, and of course we're gonna because this is a fizz, we're gonna top this one with a sparkling white wine. I've got a pop. There we go. I got a nice champagne here. Just fill it up. Beautiful. Once again with the skewer of blueberries. And there it is. The Imperial Blueberry Fizz. All right, I think it's off to the tasting room to try these guys. Okay, so here we are, and we're going to be tasting the 3 blueberry cocktails. The Country Thyme. Very lemony. Blueberry comes through, and a bit at the time. This is actually pretty good. I actually like this one. That lemon is very citrusy, so I just had three wedges of lime. You go a little less. I really like this. And that blueberry flavor does come through very nicely. Very good. The Blunderstruck. So this is a Dunderstruck made with blueberries instead of strawberries. This cocktail has knocked me on my head a few times, especially during live streams 2 years ago during our Valentine's Day live stream. Let's see how this one works. So it's good. I've never done the Dunderstruck with Smith & Cross before. Usually it says Overproof rum, so I usually use like a 151 or even the Plantation OFTD. This time I used Smith & Cross, which is not quite as overproofed, but it is 57%, but it really has that nice funk flavor that I love about Smith & Cross. So that's good. However, I'm definitely picking up the Smith & Cross and the Campari, and the blueberry kind of gets buried, and also the pineapple juice comes through as well. So blueberry, being a pretty delicate flavor, is kind of getting buried in this one. Still enjoyable, but nah. The Imperial Blueberry Fizz. I got a lot of pulp got into this one. But that's enjoyable. I do like champagne cocktails. I think I could up the blueberry on here. I'm not getting... It's mainly champagne. I do get some apple. The Apple Brandy works really well with the champagne. I'd love to see more cocktails with Apple Brandy and champagne, but not getting a whole lot of blueberry, unfortunately. But it's still enjoyable. I like champagne. All right, now first place, gonna give it to the Country Thyme because that was absolutely delicious. Second place going to the Imperial Fizz because champagne's delicious. Third place, the Dunderstruck. Yeah, that one just doesn't do it for me. But overall, some great cocktails we made with blueberries. There's not that many blueberry cocktails around, but hey, if you got the liqueur, if you make the liqueur, try these out. Also check out my video where we try out some raspberry cocktails. We also made some strawberry cocktails a while back, so check those out. We'll see you next time. Cheers.